and you did sign the second page of each one of these documents, which represents to the court the understanding that you have about your rights,
It
correct?
makes sense. I don't understand, but it makes sense.
Okay, well, if you don't understand, you need me to
I
provide you an
overstand it.
advisement.
It's clear. Yeah, it's clear. I hear what it says. I just do not understand anything. I overstand it. I hear you. It's clear to me. I signed it.
A little concerned that if you don't understand your rights, then I have to advise you on it.
I do not need you to advise me. I hear it and read it clearly.
Welcome to Courtroom Secrets.
Do we have Julia Hollingsworth here?
I don't see her.
That's case 26R28. Do we have Brittany Wallace here? Okay, thank you. So if there's anybody here with Julia Hollingsworth, and if that's your only case, you can stay. I just don't want to keep you if you need to go, okay? But that'll go on to default judgment. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So in case 26R28, default shall enter. For failure to appear.
So Aaron Martinez, 26M1326.
Cole Plummer for the people.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. Could you please state your full name on the record?
Good morning. Aaron Martinez.
Thank you. All right. And sir, you're here for an advisement, which means that I have to go over, you see me do this, it's Rule 5 and Rule 16, which contains all the rights that you have within this case. Did you review these documents, sir?
I did.
Okay. And you did sign the second page of each one of these documents, which represents to the court the understanding that you have about your rights,
It
correct?
makes sense. I don't understand, but it makes sense.
Okay. Well, if you don't understand, you need me to
I
provide you an
overstand it.
advisement.
It's clear. Yeah, it's clear. I hear what it says. I just do not understand anything. I overstand it. I hear you. It's clear to me. I signed it.
A little concerned that if you don't understand your rights, then I have to advise you on it.
I do not need you to advise me. I hear it and read it clearly. Just the terminology and the words. I do not understand anything. So, but
Okay.
it makes sense to me.
What
and I hear it.
questions do you have about the rights?
Zero.
All right, I'm still a little. Well, you did sign these two documents,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
So that represents to the court, you know what these documents say,
That's correct.
and you do not have any questions for the court about the rights that you have within your case, either under Rule 5 or Rule 16.
That's correct.
Okay, all right. There is also, sir, a mandatory protection order in this case. Thank you. And sir, this mandatory protection order states that you should not harass, molest, intimidate, retaliate against, or tamper with any witness or victims of the acts that you are charged with committing. Sir, do you understand the conditions of the mandatory protection order?
Yeah, there's no witnesses or no victims. I hear what it says. Don't mess with the officers that arrested me.
So that means you understand what this what I just explained to you, sir?
I hear you clearly. Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what I just explained to you, sir?
I hear you and it makes sense. I agree with what you're saying.
All right, so I'm concerned. I don't want, my job here, sir, is to make sure that when I go through these documents,
Yeah.
if I need to further advise
You
you.
do not need to.
Stop, stop,
Mhm.
okay? Stop 1 moment. Let me finish. If I need to further advise you, I'm happy to do so. And the reason why, sir, is because I have to make sure that when you provide and you sign these documents, you understand what you must comply with. This is a court order. So when you say, I hear what you're saying, hold on,
Mhm.
you're not answering my question. So my question is, do you understand? The answer is, yes, I do. Hold on, sir. Or no, I do not. And I'm happy when you say to me, no, I do not, then to explain it to you.
Okay.
With that advisement, I'm going to ask you the question
Okay.
again. I don't need you any further comment. I need you to answer yes or no. I presented to you and I provided information to you about the mandatory protection order. I explained to you that it requires you not to harass, molest, intimidate, retaliate against, or tamper with anybody who is considered a victim or a witness in this case. Do you understand that, sir? Yes or not?
I do not need you to make it any more clear. I'm not going to use the word understand means to stand under someone's dominion. I'm not under you. You're not going to put your feet on me. So I hear you and I agree with you. And I'm 100% with what you just said. It's clear. I'm not going to harass, intimidate, molest, any of that with anybody. So
Thank you, sir. With regards to your case, are you applying for the office of the public defender? Yes or no? Are you applying for the office of the public
I'm gonna go
defender?
talk to him. I might get a private attorney.
Okay, so you need an attorney. You're gonna be looking for an attorney in this case.
But I do
Let's
have-
go ahead and set this for an peers of counsel in division. Mr. Martinez is going to division 301.
Second at 9 a.m.
June 2nd is a Tuesday at 9 a.m. Does that work for you, sir?
Yes, that should work.
All right, so let's set him for June 2nd at 9 a.m. in division 301. Anything further, Mr. Plummer?
No, thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you.
Thank
Back
you.
to you, sir.
Sure.
Let me go ahead and call the next.
What did you say? Oh, just explain that to me. No, I understand like what understand means, but. And if you overstand other people, doesn't that mean that you're doing that to them? Oh, yeah.
Are you okay, Mr. Plummer?
Oh, yeah, no, absolutely, yes.
Okay.
I was just curious on the terminology, that's all.
Oh, okay, yeah. I think I know what was happening, but I'm not gonna make a comment